Saturday, September 12th. The day to install the 1.5 megawatt, 60,000-pound generators had arrived. After months of construction coordination and 4 different crane lift plans, the 18 trucks to deliver the 600-ton crane, the second largest all-terrain crane in the Midwest, made it to the site as scheduled. Built in 2012 and traveled all the way from South Sioux City, the erection of the crane took 2 smaller cranes and at its peak reached 193 feet in the air. The erection of the crane started by shutting down the street at 1 p.m. on Friday the 11th. The pick started earlier than scheduled at 10:30 a.m. Saturday and was completed by 5 p.m.